There's this beautiful spicy chord that I cannot get enough of. It's just a normal minor chord with a minor sixth added, but it sounds fantastic. And you could wake me up any day with this chord. Now if you want this chord to have a real bite, then you cannot just add this minor sixth anywhere you like. I'll show you why after this example you should place it on top, or at least above the perfect fifth, that is. There are plenty of moments where playing this kind of a chord straight away is uncalled for, and it might even sound very bad. But with this next technique you might be able to pull it off. And this next technique takes us back to the early days of vocal music, to the 16th century, the time of Renaissance composer Palestrina. And the Palestrina style is music that is written using modal counterpoint. Counterpoint means that if we have a chord progression, then each and every note in that chord progression should be treated as an independent and separate melody. So if I take this technique to the popular music of our time, then a chord progression like this should be played like this. Palestrina was very famous, and his counterpoint style was to influence many composers after him, even until this day. And did I mention that it is strict? There are quite a few rules of things that you are allowed and not allowed to do. For example, parallel fifths and octaves is a no-no. Big jumps following each other, not allowed. Dissonant tones on a downbeat, no way. Wait, unless you prepare it. This is exactly what you can use to sneak in any dissonant chord in your music, so also the one from the intro. I bet that this type of chord movement sounds familiar to everybody. The tones that sound dissonant in the beginning are called suspensions, and nowadays you can use them freely in your music. But in older music they had to be prepared. And to be prepared means that the dissonant tone used to be part of a chord that comes right before it. So this note that needs to become dissonant should be played again or should be held while the other chord notes change. Thank you, Palestrina, for your wisdom. In our chord from the intro, the F is the dissonant tone, so we need to see if the chord before has an F in it, and then we can create a suspension. And if you want to be real fancy, you can even do this with your melody. In my video about AI vocals, the guitar plays the E minor chord, while the vocals, they sing the C, which is the minor sixth. Radiohead's Tom York and Johnny Greenwood have another interesting way to get to this chord, and they do it in their song Wall of Eyes by The Smile. If you want to learn about this easy technique, then check it out in my song analysis, which is linked in the description. Come join my online Anything Music sessions and the private Discord server via my Buy Me a Coffee page. Go support the channel and let's talk music. Stay creative, and for now, see you next time.